In this video, you'll learn how to create a micro job website similar to Fiverr using WordPress. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to set up and customize your site effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site. Look for the option labeled Sites on the home page. Once selected, you will be directed to the site's dashboard where you can manage your WordPress sites. Next, locate and click on the button that says Create with AI. This option enables you to utilize artificial intelligence to assist in the site creation process. After clicking, the system will prepare the necessary tools for building your site. After that, you will see an option titled Laying the Foundations. Click on this to begin the foundational setup for your microjob website. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for your site structure. Once this appears, you may need to wait a moment as the AI processes your request. A loading indicator may be visible, indicating that the system is working. This could take a few moments depending on your internet speed. When the next screen appears, you will see a message prompting you to make your website unique. This is an important stage where you will define your website's identity. Consider what makes your service stand out. Now, type in the phrase, create a microjob website like Fiverr in the designated field. This input helps the AI understand your vision for the site. After entering the text, ensure you are ready to proceed. Click on the Enter key to submit your input. This action will confirm your intention and move you forward in the setup process. A confirmation message should appear indicating your input has been received. A message will then inform you that WordPress.com can create a microjob services website. However, note that it may not support a full Fiverr-style marketplace with advanced features like escrow and multi-vendor payments. Understanding these limitations is essential as you continue. Next, you will need to choose from the options presented. Type in your choice based on what the system suggests. This will guide the AI in tailoring your site to meet your needs. After making your selection, click on Enter again. This confirms your choice and allows the system to proceed with the next step in the setup process. A message will prompt you to think about what your website should be called. The site title is important as it appears in the browser tab and contributes to your credibility with clients and freelancers. Take your time to think of a suitable name. Type in the name you have chosen for your site in the designated field. This name should reflect the nature of your microjob services. Once you've entered the name, click on Enter to confirm. This will save your site name and continue the setup process. Next, you will be asked to provide a short tagline or description for your site. This tagline should succinctly convey what you help people do and can be crucial for search engine visibility. Type your tagline into the provided field. This description will help potential clients understand the services you offer. Click on Enter again to confirm your tagline. This step is important as it finalizes the branding aspect of your website. Proceed by clicking on the button that says Create My Site. This action will initiate the final creation process for your microjob website. After clicking, a message will appear stating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is now generating your website and you will need to wait a moment. Wait for the system to generate your site. This process might take a while depending on the complexity of the setup and your internet connection speed. Be patient as the AI works. Finally, once the generation is complete, you will be notified that your site is ready. At this point, you can begin customizing it further or start adding your microjob services. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.